Hello friends, welcome to Sam Biology class. Friends, we are going to upload a series of videos related to photosynthesis. Hope all of you will watch, share and like those videos. Before that, I request all of my friends, those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Today we will have an introduction on photosynthesis. Life on the earth ultimately depends on the energy derived from the sun. Photosynthesis is the only process of biological importance which can harvest this energy. A large fraction of the energy resources available on our planet have resulted directly or indirectly from the photosynthetic activity either in the recent or in the ancient times. The term photosynthesis means literally synthesis using light. In this process, green plants use light energy to synthesize complex organic substances. More specifically, light energy drives the synthesis of complex organic substances such as carbohydrate and generation of molecular oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. The overall equation of photosynthesis is like this. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide react with 6 molecules of water to form 1 hexose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Light energy drives this process. These carbohydrate molecules, primarily sugars, which are produced during photosynthesis, power various cellular processes in the plants. They are also the energy source for all forms of life. The main photosynthetic tissue in green plants is the mesophyll of leaves. Mesophyll cells has many chloroplasts which contain the specialized light-absorbing green pigments called as chlorophylls. In the process of photosynthesis, water is oxidized, thereby releasing molecular oxygen, and carbon dioxide is reduced, thereby forming carbohydrates, primarily sugars. Photosynthesis has two stages: light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction is also known as thylakoid reaction because the process takes place in the thylakoid. The light reactions of photosynthesis takes place in the specialized internal membranes of the chloroplast called thylakoids. The end products of light reactions are the high energy compounds ATP and NADPH, which are used to synthesize sugars in the dark reaction. The dark reactions of photosynthesis occur in the stroma, which is the aqueous region surrounding the thylakoids. In the chloroplast, light energy is converted into chemical energy by two different functional units called photosystems. The absorbed light energy is used to power the transfer of electrons through a series of compounds which act as electron donor and acceptor. Majority of electrons are extracted from water, which is oxidized to molecular oxygen. The electrons that are obtained from this oxidation are used to reduce NADP plus into NADPH. In addition to this, light energy is also used to generate a proton motive force across the thylakoid membrane, which drives the synthesis of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. Here there are some important points regarding photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a complex biological oxidation reduction process in which water is oxidized to release molecular oxygen and carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrates. Photosynthesis is also known as carbon dioxide fixation because in this process carbon dioxide is fixed in the form of carbohydrates, mainly sugars. Photosynthesis has two main phases, light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in the specialized internal membranes called as thylakoids. The end products of light reactions are the high energy compounds ATP and NADPH. The dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the stroma, which is the aqueous region of the chloroplast surrounding the thylakoids. In dark reaction, carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrates, mainly sugars. In photosynthesis, light energy is used to drive the transfer of electron through a series of compounds which act as electron donor and acceptor. This transfer of electron is known as photosynthetic electron transfer. So friends, this is all about an introduction on photosynthesis. In next video, we shall discuss about the structure of chloroplast.